Hi guys, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. And I hope that you are enjoying this JavaScript series. So today in this video, as you can see on my screen, we are going to talk about while loop, right? Watch the video till the end so that you can understand how this while loop works, right? And guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel, so I request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel, and also you can able to watch more videos like this. So now, before wasting any much of the time, let's get started with the topic, that is the while loop. So here on my screen, you can see that at line number 5, I have initialized a variable, right? Its type is let, right? It can be var also as well. There is no issues in that because right now I'm just printing the numbers from 1 to 5, right? So let's say I have a variable, right, variable I, which is of the var type, and initially it is assigned a value of 1, right? Now at line number 7, here you can see that I have written the while, right? Basically this is how you can write the while loop, right? And then within this bracket, this is the condition, right? If I is less than or equal to 5, then only you are going to print this I, right? The value of the I you are going to print over here. And then after this console log statement, I have increased the value of I, right? So let's say suppose at initial the value is 1. In this case the value is 1. So now here this will come and check that 1 is less than equal to 5. Then at this point this happens to be true, so here 1 will be printed, right, in the terminal. And now this will increase the value by 1. So 1 plus 1, that gives us 2, right? Now it will come out of the loop, and now this, instead of 1, the value of I will now be 2 because of this increment, right? Now it will come and check, is 2 less than equal to 5? Again the condition happens to be true, so it will print, first it will print now it will print 2, right? Then after it print 2, then there will be an increment of 1. So now I value will be 3, and here this will be 3. It will check the condition, so 3 is less than equal to 5. This is again true, right? So here 3 will be printed, and the value will now increase to 4. The condition will again going to be true, right? So this will print 4, and now the value of I will be 5, right? Now what happens over here, when the value of I will be 5, it will come here and check, is 5 is less than equal to 5? Then again this condition will be true because it is equivalent to 5. So 5 will be printed over here, right? And now the value of I will be 6, right? Now when the value of I will be 6, then this condition will be false, right? This condition will be false when value of I is equal to 6, right? So this will not execute this block of code, right? 6 will not be printed over here, right? So in this way the while loops works. I will now save this file and I will show you the output in the terminal, right? So I'll just going to write node, and then this file name I'll write while.js, right? Now I'll hit the enter button. So here you can see that in this way 1 2 3 4 5, all the numbers from 1 to 5 will be printed, and I have already told you that how these numbers are printed. So I hope guys you have liked this video, and guys, again I'm asking you that if you haven't subscribed this channel, so kindly please subscribe it so that you can get all the latest update from this channel, and also you will able to watch more videos like this. Thank you guys, and I hope to meet you soon in the next video. Thank you. That's all for this video.